Finish signing up to start watching Netflix. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can finish signing up to start watching your Netflix. So to do that, you must follow the following steps here. If you are using an Android device, to sign up from your Android device, you can simply create an account by entering an email address. After that, you can simply choose the plan that's right for you. So after creating an account, you need to use Netflix Android app. You will receive an email from Netflix with a link to provide sign up from the netflix.com using a mobile or computer browser. Now choose a plan that's right for you. You can downgrade or upgrade anytime. Now you need to tap on enter the payment method. After tapping on the enter the payment method and also paying the price for the Netflix, that's it. You can now stream on Netflix and watch whatever you want to. So that's how you can solve your problem. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.